Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve fat loss and muscle gain. First, understand your calorie balance. To lose fat, aim for a slight caloric deficit, consuming about 300 to 500 fewer calories than you burn each day. Conversely, for muscle gain, target a modest surplus of around 200 to 300 calories daily. This strategic approach helps your body prioritize either fat reduction or muscle development, setting the foundation for your body composition goals. Next, prioritize protein intake and consistent strength training. Protein is crucial for repairing and building muscle tissue, especially when you are in a calorie deficit. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Complement this with resistance training 3 to 4 times a week, focusing on compound movements. This combination signals your body to retain or build muscle while encouraging fat loss. Now, let's discuss other macronutrients and hydration. Carbohydrates provide essential energy for your workouts and daily activities. Choose complex carbs like oats and sweet potatoes. Healthy fats, found in avocados and nuts, are vital for hormone regulation and nutrient absorption. Don't forget hydration. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily supports all bodily functions, including metabolism. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods for the best results. Finally, remember the importance of rest, recovery, and consistency. Your muscles grow and repair when you are resting, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly. Give your body adequate time to recover between intense training sessions. Most importantly, consistency in your nutrition and exercise routine is paramount. Track your progress, celebrate small victories, and make adjustments as your body adapts to achieve lasting results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.